You can tell the season is changing, not just by the weather, but by the smell. The kitchen comes alive this time of year. A little warmth in the oven, a little spice in the air. Families are pulling out their favorite recipes, the ones scribbled on old cards or tucked in a book for safekeeping. Pots are bubbling, something's baking, and someone is sneaking a taste when they think no one is watching. It's laughter, stories, and the comfort of good food, all wrapped up in one beautiful moment. That is what the season smells like. I just love this time of the year. I hope you join us in our kitchen as we cook up some dishes for the season, throughout the season. Share some of your dishes with us in the comments. Until next time, bon appetit!